Hello everyone, welcome to Mimi's World, and my name is Michelee Muradyan, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on makeup, but we're going to take it step by step. So right now I'm going to work on adding foundation and contouring, so stay tuned. We're going to mark now. All right, so we're blending now, and then we are going to use the Diner airbrush to finish it. Alright, so this is the Diner airbrush, and we're going to airbrush the rest of what we did. We did a little bit of contouring, but now we're airbrushing. Now I'm just going to set the airbrush and the contour. We're going to use the MAC palette, and I'm going to do the neutral as a base. We are going to use the purple today. We're going to do the middle part in here with a lighter color. Then we're going to use this darker plum here for the bottom. Michelee Muradyan, and have a great day.